Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is tube furnace. So most of problem we are found that VFD and control. So Alhamdulillah we are totally complete this to the point and the better solution and temperature is of all of the fixing. Thank you so much. See my video and knock the channel. And we will see that controlling lock. So press 808 808 8, right button click, up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now return menu, high flame 70, 99, 1, on, on, 0, on off mode. That we are not very complete. It's PDI mode and on off mode. Just your choice. Run mode, relay, fuel 5.5, 3.5, 5.5, 20, 50, 2.2, 50-second temperature. Relay, we are controlling the relay, totally the relay of team 200 strong 96 PDO controller 3. Exit. Complete. Total complete. Thank you.